Dear friends, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Ajay Chandel from Mittal School of Business, lovely Professional University, Punjab. I am going to present before you Module 32 titled Social Media Marketing under the paper Tourism and Hospitality Marketing. After completing this module, you will be able to understand the concept of social media and how it helps tourism and hospitality marketers, learn the social media marketing plan components, understand the benefits of social media marketing, understand the impact of social media on tourism marketing. Introduction: Digital India. 2001 registered around 7 million active internet users in India. 12 years later, this number has grown to 25 times at a compounded rate of over 30% year on year, making India one of the largest and fastest growing populations of internet users in the world. India already boasts to have the third largest internet population in the world today after China with 620 million and US with 275 million. Approximately 40 million Indians use internet for various reasons, varying from online shopping to sharing their life and opinions over social media each day. It is estimated that there will be over 500 million internet users in India by 2018, making India the second largest population of internet users in the world. With this rapid growth in penetration of internet in urban and rural parts of India, marketers are concentrating more on spending their media budget on a wide selection of digital media channels. The ad expenditure on digital media in India was found to be INR 2750 crore by the end of financial year 14, with a year-on-year growth rate of 30%. The overall CAGR of digital ad expenditure in India accounted for 25% from financial year 2011 to financial year 2013. India has become the second largest market for social networking giants such as Facebook. Approximately 58,000 new users get connected onto a social network every day in India. Facebook crossed 100 million active users in India, the second country after United States and Canada, in which it has reached this milestone. Facebook is not satisfied with this number and already has a new figure in mind for India. Facebook expects to have 1 billion users in coming years. Economic Times 2014. With such a massive usage, social media platforms provide a genuine opportunity for businesses to reach to masses. India is a young country with a median age of 26 years. The use of social media is part of this young population's lifestyle. Social media has become the preferred mode of expressing and seeking opinions and sharing feedback. The youth immediately connects with brands which are seen to be socially active. Since the youth forms the bulk consumer for most tourism and hospitality operators today, social media has evolved as most preferred medium for connecting with their consumers. The international players have seemed to catch the pulse of growing, frequent eat-out customer segment by creating a strong social media presence like Facebook and Twitter fan pages. Social media, a brief landscape. Social media marketing is a type of internet marketing that involves creating and sharing content on social media networks in order to achieve desired marketing and branding goals. Social media marketing includes activities like posting text and image updates, videos, and other content that drives customers' engagement. One of the major drivers of social media's popularity is the fact of it being free to use medium. This has made social media to be one of the most preferred means to communicate with our tourism and hospitality firms' existing and prospective customers. Tourism companies just need to only spend on buying advertising space. This expenditure has also been found to be much more economical, customer focused, and controlled as compared to traditional communication media channels. Almost immediate turnaround time is one of the biggest advantages of social media over traditional media. The offers, incentives, product information, and promotions could be communicated in real time, and the responses could also be received quickly over social media as compared to traditional communication methods, which used to be mostly one way. Tourism and hospitality firms can easily see feedback and reviews generated by consumers instantly and are able to take immediate corrective actions and carry out recoveries. Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, etc. have emerged as the top social media channels, with Facebook being the most preferred one worldwide. They provide a platform for tourism companies to reach out to both existing and potential consumers. This also offered a medium across which to converse about the brand's promotions and marketing offers. Different social media platforms have different usage, and through a judicious use of various channels like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Google+, different levels of interaction and communication as per the needs of the activity could be harnessed. The sudden growth in the use of social media has boosted confidence among tourism and hospitality companies to utilize the strength of this medium in order to reinforce brand awareness and recall. Social media provides another benefit of extended reach to tourism and hospitality companies, thereby helping them widen their consumer base. The traditional target group comprising those using social media lie primarily in the age group 15 to 50 years. However, this bracket has been seen to widen with adults over 50 years extensively patronizing social media channels. Further, the enhanced reach of social media channels is also extending the geographic periphery to even Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. This has been possible due to advances in mobile and internet technology, which are now more affordable than ever and consequently are much in demand even in smaller towns. This benefited both international and homegrown tourism and hospitality chains planning to expand into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Social media marketing plan. Social media marketing plan helps organizations to implement social media marketing effectively. Below mentioned is the stepwise process. Step 1. Finalize social media objectives and goals. Step 2. Conduct a social media audit. Step 3. Create or update social accounts. Step 4. Get social media inspiration from industry, leaders, competitors, and clients. Step 5. Create a content plan and editorial calendar. Step 6. Evaluating and adjusting social media marketing plan. Step 1. Finalize social media objectives and goals. The first step in social media marketing strategy is to establish the objectives and goals that a firm wants to achieve. Having clear objectives also allows company to quickly respond to existing strategy when social media campaigns are not getting the company desired results. Without setting appropriate objectives or goals, a company has no mean of measuring social media marketing success or proving returns on social media marketing investments. These objectives must be well aligned with overall marketing strategy and must be SMART, that is, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Step 2. Conduct a social media audit. Before creating social media marketing plan, a company needs to assess its current social media use and how it's working. Finding out who is currently connecting with the company's social media channels, which social media sites the target market uses, and how is company's social media presence compared to its competitors can be significant piece of data to develop an effective social media strategy. Once the audit has been completed, company should have a coherent and clear picture of every social account representing their business entity and who runs or controls them. What purpose they serve must be known as well. This inventory of information should be updated regularly, especially as the business scales up. There are some areas to be considered when auditing a business's social media presence. These areas are: 1. Which networks are you currently active on? 2. Are your networks optimized? Photo and cover images, bio, URL, etc. Which networks are currently bringing you the most value? 4. How do your profiles compare to your competitors' profiles? Step 3. Create or update social accounts. As the social media audit is completed, marketers must work on refining their brand's online presence. Social media channels which better meet companies' social media goals identified in step 1 must be taken special care of. If there is no existing social media profile on each network company wants to focus upon, they must be created keeping the company's goals and audience in mind. If there are existing but obsolete and old accounts, they must be updated to get the best possible results. Optimizing profiles for search engine optimization can be extremely helpful in generating web traffic. Similarly, cross-promoting social media accounts can help extend the reach of content to a great extent. Step 4. Get social media inspiration from industry leaders, competitors, clients. Exploring what others in tourism and hospitality industry are sharing and finding ways to see how the firm can distinguish itself from competitors and appeal to target audience can be very healthy for successful social media marketing strategy. Consumers can also be the source of inspiration. Exploration of not only the content that consumers share but also the way that they phrase their messages can be helpful in making customers feel related. Learning customer habits, as in when and why they share, can help company build a strong social media marketing content strategy. A very important source of social media inspiration can be the industry leaders. Benchmarking the social media content strategy as per the best players in the industry can be very useful. Step 5. Create a content plan and editorial calendar. An interesting and meaningful content to share is the prime factor to succeed in social media marketing. A social media marketing plan must have a content marketing plan that should be comprised of strategies for content creation and curation, and as well as there must be a provision of an editorial calendar. A content marketing plan should answer the following questions. What kind of content needs to be posted and promoted on social media? How often shall the content be posted? Who will be the target customers for each type of content? Who will create the content? How will the content be promoted? Here are some suggestions related to content that can be considered for posting: images, videos, blog posts, company news, infographics, ebooks, interviews. An editorial calendar is a document that lists the dates and times a firm intends to publish blogs, Instagram and Facebook posts, tweets, and other content firm plans to use during its social media campaigns. Step 6. Evaluating and adjusting social media marketing plan. This step calls for looking to find out the adjustments needed to be made to social media marketing strategy and requires a constant testing. One could track the number of clicks a link gets on particular platform using URL shorteners and UTM codes. One can track page visits driven by social media with Google Analytics, etc. Some metrics that can be considered for evaluating the social media results are conversion rate, time spent on website, reach, brand mentions, sentiment, total shares. Benefits of social media marketing. Given to the sudden increase in the buzz related to social media marketing has become the next big thing, a powerful trend that a tourism and hospitality company must take advantage of while it's still in the spotlight. However, for some companies, it's an empty vessel making much noise with no practical advantages, coupled with a steep and complicated learning curve. Because it grew so quickly, social media has developed an image for being a fad and hence a passing marketing activity which therefore might be unprofitable. But the statistics, however, illustrate a very different picture. More than 90% of marketers claimed that their social media marketing efforts increased awareness. Social Media Examiner 2015. Traffic to their websites and assisted with conversion. This demonstrates a huge potential for social media marketing to increase business. Undermentioned are some of the ways social media marketing tools can be applied to help improve businesses' marketing activities. Increased brand recognition, improved brand loyalty, more opportunities to convert, higher conversion rates, higher brand trust, increased inbound traffic, decreased marketing costs, better search engine rankings, richer customer experiences, increased brand recognition. Content creation and dissemination is an extremely important activity for any successful social media strategy. Social media platforms and content represent a tourism and hospitality firm's voice. Presence on social media platforms in the form of brand pages not only make the business entity and its content more accessible to new guests, it also makes the company more familiar and recognizable to existing or returning guests. Improved brand loyalty. According to research done by Texas Tech University, engaging the customers on social media platforms usually lead to a higher loyalty from their guests. Posting photos of guests enjoying the services of a tourism and hospitality firm, tagging some regular customers, listening to what customers have to say about the products and services, and responding to these opinions can be very influential in converting consumers into being more brand loyal. More opportunities to convert. Every post a tourism and hospitality company makes on a social media platform can be an opportunity for potential clients to convert. Interesting posts on social media platforms reach to new customers, recent customers, and existing customers. Such posts become visible to prospective customers as well when existing customers like or share any post on the company's social media page. This gives an opportunity to tourism and hospitality firms to interact with all of them. Every post, image, or video a company shares is an opportunity for someone to react, and every reaction could lead to a site visit and eventually a conversion. Higher conversion rates. Social media marketing results in a higher conversion rate. One of the most significant reason behind higher conversion rate is the ability of social media to bring out human element out of the brand. Since social media platforms provide a way to communicate with the customers, tourism and hospitality companies become more humanized by brand customer interaction. Hence, social media is a place where brands can act like regular people. Studies have also shown that social media has a 100% higher lead to close rate than outbound marketing. A report by HubSpot. Higher brand trust. Interacting with guests regularly generates good faith in other potential guests. When people like the services of a tourism and hospitality firm and want to compliment or brag about the delicious food or a lavish stay, they turn to social media. When such posts with a brand name are posted, new audience members in the social circle of existing customers might want to follow the tourism and hospitality brand for its updates. Increased inbound traffic. Social media can help getting higher inbound traffic to the web page of any tourism and hospitality firm. Without social media, a firm's inbound traffic is limited to only those customers who are already familiar with the tourism and hospitality firm. Every social media profile, when added, might turn out to be another path leading back to company's website, and each content syndicated on these profiles is another opportunity for a new visitor. Decreased marketing costs. Paid advertising through social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter is relatively cheaper as compared to traditional communication channels. Just dedicating an hour in a day in developing social media content and syndication strategy, a business can start seeing the results of its efforts. Better search engine rankings. Search engine optimization is the best way to attract relevant traffic from search engines, but this is not a surety of success. Tourism and hospitality companies having a strong presence on social media could signal to search engines that the brand is legitimate, credible, and trustworthy. Hence, if a brand wants to rank high on a given set of keywords, having a strong social media presence could be very important. Richer customer experiences. Customers are very open to expressing their opinions about any brand they used on social media platforms. This gives tourism and hospitality companies a chance to interact with their customers effectively. Every customer interaction a firm has on social media can be encashed as an opportunity to publicly demonstrate level of customer service a brand is committed in providing to its customers. This can help enrich company's relationship with its potential guests. It can act as a personal experience that let guests feel being heard and cared. Improved customer insights. Social media also gives an opportunity to gain valuable information about consumer behavior, what guests are interested in, and how they behave under different purchase situations via social media, via social listening. For example, a hotel can monitor user comments to see what people think of their stay in the hotel directly. Hotel manager can segment content syndication lists based upon which type of content usually generate the most interest in terms of likes, comments, and shares. Producing similar content and posting it often can be useful in creating the much needed intrigue or interest of customers in the brand, which with appropriate marketing efforts can lead to a conversion into sale. A tourism and hospitality company can measure conversion based on different promotions posted on various social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, etc. and try to find a perfect combination to generate revenue. Impact of social media on tourism marketing. Social media has drastically changed the way companies used to communicate the benefits of their products and services to existing and prospective customers. For the tourism and hospitality sector, in specific, the rise of internet and the increased popularity of social media channels has changed the traditional tourism and hospitality marketing. From the traditional way of researching potential tourism destinations to the activities that customers can participate in once they reach the destination. The numerous novel ways that consumers use social media to make buying decisions has influenced tourism marketing from start to finish. Fundamentally, social media has transformed and revolutionized consumer travel research. The most significant impact that social media has had on the tourism industry lately is the availability of democratic service reviews on these social media platforms. It is very common to see customers going online to research their future travel destinations and accommodations before actually making any real purchase. While booking travel, most of young customers plan travel activities based upon the content and reviews posted by their peers online. Impact of social media on facilitating social sharing. People usually enjoy sharing photos and videos of their travels. Social media has facilitated and expanded people's willingness to share their good or bad travel experiences with a much wider customer base than ever before. Majority of youngsters like to share photos and videos of their travel online, building an influential web-enabled network of peer-to-peer content that serves to inspire potential guests. This ever-growing trend of sharing online started a new trend. Many hotels and tourist resorts have resorted to unique social contests and campaigns to make sure that they get some credit for their guests' social activity. Haveli Heritage is a theme-based wedding venue in Punjab that started using guests' wedding photos instead of staged professional photos to promote their wedding venues. This campaign motivated guests to take their photos, tag them with the hashtag Haveli Heritage Weddings, and ultimately led to the creation of user-generated content for the brand that is free, authentic, and repurposed across its various marketing channels. Influence of social media in enhancing customer service. Social media has transformed customer service and satisfaction. Majority of tourism and hospitality companies have a social media presence that is being used to become aware of what customers want and how they feel about the services provided by the tourism and hospitality firms. The tourism and hospitality companies that respond to customer complaints in a sincere and genuine manner develop a strong goodwill and faith amongst existing and potential customers. When a disgruntled customer contacts a brand on a social media platform, this negative word of mouth can spread faster than the positive word of mouth, as more disgruntled customers sharing the same poor experience join. Responding to complaints and questions raised by customers helps to humanize a tourism and hospitality brand and is also an indicator to current and future customers that they are valued and are being heard. Impact on travel agencies. Social media has also greatly transformed the traditional travel agency model. The availability of easy online information and comfort of self-service online booking have made travel agencies to adopt a digital business model. However, this has not made travel agencies obsolete, as they are still responsible for 55% of all airline bookings, 77% of cruise bookings, and 73% of package bookings as per entrepreneur.com. Impact on loyalty programs. It's not surprising in marketing literature that acquiring new customers is far more expensive than retaining existing ones. Loyalty programs have become a very important motivational factor in retaining existing customers. Social media has had a significant impact on how hotel loyalty programs were constructed in the past and how are they constructed today. It is a fact that the opinions existing customers share with their personal networks have significant influence on prospective customers' buying behavior. It is not strange that these guests feel entitled to some reward for the positive word of mouth shared by them about a tourism and hospitality brand. Hence, most of such customers that post positive reviews are very likely to post about a brand in exchange for loyalty points. Summary: social media marketing is a type of internet marketing that involves creating and sharing content on social media networks in order to achieve desired marketing and branding goals. Social media marketing includes activities like posting text and image updates, videos, and other content that drives customer engagement. Effective social media marketing can help improve brand loyalty and brand recognition. It can help create better customer service and hence better customer experience. Social media marketing yields better results as compared to traditional media. Social media is also a cost-effective way to reach to existing and prospective clients in internet-enabled world. Thank you.